One of the things that makes me proud about being a member of the credit union and also an employee of the credit union is our passion to serve.
But thank you all so much for being here, and thank you Virginia Credit Union for making this day possible. We were so excited when they approached us and said we want to do a big volunteer project. We want to pay for a bunch of stuff to get done.
At Virginia Credit Union, we just wanted to give our members an opportunity to volunteer together with employees and really do something great for the community.
So grab the one you want to get started on. We'll get you guys started. Are you ready?
I think this might be just
I put plastic on the benches so you guys can sit down.
Without the credit union introducing this, event to me, I wouldn't have known even this existed here. So it was great, and I love to be part of the community and giving back.
So you'll start at the bottom and then, just snip it off. Doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay.
Work your way up
just
to
to
the
get
top.
out on a Saturday morning and get some exercise and do something good. So yeah, it's neat to work with actually employees of the credit union too, because she didn't know I was just a member. So yeah, there's a lot of connections being made.
This greenhouse wouldn't be getting built today, not only without Virginia Credit Union volunteers, but without Virginia Credit Union resources investing in that greenhouse, investing in our wash pack rinse station, investing in the greenhouse tables and picnic tables and in our farm signs. And so today it's really twofold. It's having those resources from Virginia Credit Union that allow us to put these volunteers to work in really amazing ways.
We pulled peppers, we rolled up the tarp, we swept it out, we pulled up the steak. So basically I just learned how to harvest just now, so it's hard work.
Just the enthusiasm of the day, coming together, people from all over. Most people here have never met each other before, so that's an amazing thing to see the community that Virginia Credit Union has come together and get projects done like this.
Are you gonna pay with us? This is basically.
It was a little more skilled than I thought. It's paint by numbers, but let me tell you, it's been a while since I've done paint by numbers. The little kids were showing me up.
You're the best.
It's just part of that credit union difference to have members and employees working alongside each other, doing something good for the community, like here at Shalom Farms today.
Clearly we have a lot of members out here and they have a ton of passion for doing this, and being able to have that time to build the relationships with them outside of just going to the branch. It just says something about our organization and our culture, and I'm very excited and I just feel good to be a part of it.
We're so grateful. We had such a great group, got so much done today. Everybody had a great attitude and worked hard, so thank you to Virginia Credit Union. We really appreciate it.